Give us a sound check, Jim.
Do you want one more?
Yeah!
This next song is called Sex on Legs!
Let's try it from here, mate. Just give us a line from a song. What about the Tears, or something that you sung ages ago? When you were playing guitar.
What song was that?
You said something about the tears gently. I can't remember.
I look at you and my blood boils hot. I feel my temperature rise. That's it.
Try Martins.
Has it got a switch on it?
Yeah.
1, 2. Hey! I give it all you got. See thunder in your eyes.
Try Adams.
Who's the man now?
Adams.
I'm getting closer, can you hear me breathe? Hot, hot. 1, 2. Adam's well small.
Ben's right down.
1, 2. Okay, eyes down. 2 and 3, 23. 2 fat ladies, 88. 2 little ducks, 22. Top of the shop, 90. Okay, here we go. Do you want to go faster? Hey! Do you want one more? Come on! Come on! This next song is called Sex on Legs!
Yeah, sounds alright that.
I heard him outside.
You joking?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I do.
It's rock and roll, pal.
Hat taps. Hat taps.